Watch your back, Uncle Slim!
Where do you think you're going?
Nope.
Now, Jack, okay. What the root two blazes is going on here?
Uncle Slim! Uncle Slim!
Let's get out of here!
Come back here, dog meat.
Jackpot! Got him now! Well,
Watch out!
it's Buck!
Hey, Casey Jones, grab the bills and fire up the Getaway Express. I gave up clown college for this?
Slim! I got Slim! Rico's gonna be so proud of me! Leave me alone!
Sorry.
Uncle Slim!
Rico, in here!
That was Rico!
What in blue blazes? I'll knock you into next Tuesday. Come back here. You're going down.
Can't hold on much longer.
Get this off of me! Uncle Slim! Uncle Slim! Rico's saddle! I'm wearing Rico's saddle!
We made it, girls! We made it!
Ladies, we got company!
Whoa! Stop! It's a break!